Hey, so what we have here is a little Nissan Pulsar runaround car that we got on the road ages ago, and we're doing a bit of a repair on this at the moment. We're starting to have a look at it anyway. The heater core leaks inside, somewhere in behind here. It's, well, hello Minnie. It's leaking water, totally pouring into the car. So today we're going to start pulling that out and having a look at how that's in here, because pretty sure the whole dash has got to come out for it to come out. And so we're going to start unbolting some stuff and see what we can find, because we don't know which one to order, because yeah, there was a couple around that time. So we'll start having a look. Right, so adding another hour to getting that dash out. We finally got this out. So we also had to undo the aircon, so we'll have to get that recharged as well. But we also had to pull the steering column out, the whole supporting brace out, unbolt everything in there, drop some wiring out, take some other brackets out. So put this thing back together. But our problem is this one here. So I'm guessing either the core's damaged or there's probably a gasket in between here that's dead. So we'll have a look at pulling this apart. We'll get it out so we can pressure test it as well. But we'll get this apart. So we pulled it apart, pulled the core out. The aircon one was covered in leaves, but these things have a seal that goes in between here. So we did quickly jam the hose on this thing. It was leaking out somewhere. I don't think it's coming out the seal. I actually think it's coming out internal, but we're going to look for a complete replacement. So now we are on the hunt.